Hello. If you want to invest in share market like a stock, mutual fund, online commodity, in ETF. So first thing, you should have a demat and trading account. What is a demat and trading account? Demat and trading account is a trading account is where you buy and sell the securities and commodities. And demat account is where you store your shares. Suppose you buy some share, so your share gonna be deposited in demat account. It's like your vault, you putting their share over there, and then you want to sell it out, take it out from your vault and sell it in the market. So these are both combined, trading and demat account both are combined. So in this video we will guide you step by step how to open an online demat and trading account in Zerodha. Zerodha is India's largest discount brokerage firm. In description, we have an affiliated link of the opening Zerodha account has been given in description. If you open through that link, you will be mapped under the Finality Capital client base. So you are eligible to access premium services of the Finality Capital like investment planning, consulting for your investment, recommendations from our end, many more. You can avail our privileged services in free for certain month, and you can have the support. We will guide you every step of your investment journey. So it's good to go through open the account from the link given in the description box. If you have any doubt or any query, or you don't understand something, if you have any query, any doubt, you can write us an email which is given on the screen, info@finalitycapital.com, or even you can WhatsApp us given number. So let's start. So this is a few requirements which we are listed over here. You should have these documents before you going to open an online Zerodha account. First, you should have a bank account. You should have a PAN card. You should have an Aadhaar. Aadhaar should be linked with your mobile number. It is mandatory. Open an online account. Aadhaar should be registered with mobile number. A cancelled checkbook or passbook. 6 months bank statement. It's an optional. If you want to trading in future and commodity, then you need to upload a 6 month bank statement. It is not a mandatory, but it's optional. If you want to avail the facility of the future and option, then only it's needed. A mobile number and an active email ID. Keep these all documents handy. So let's go ahead and start the process. So once your all the required documents is ready, kindly go to the description link and click over link. You will be pop up to this page, and make sure check to the URL, like at the end of the URL, please check the partner ID ZMPHVQ, as I'm going to mark. This is our partner ID. Please make sure URL. This should be appear in URL bar. Zerodha.com open account C is equal to ZMPHVQ. ZMPHVQ is our partner ID. If you're going to open account through this link, you are automatically going to map under our client base. So we have certain plans and services which is especially for our clients. So if you open the account through this link, you are eligible to have those facilities or those services. Once you have reached there, kindly put up your number here, and you will be receive an OTP. You can ask for OTP from to WhatsApp as well. Put the OTP and continue. Then it will ask for email ID. Kindly put the email, and you will be received an OTP at your email. Kindly put the OTP and verify your email. Then you will be asked for the PAN number. Put up your PAN number and write date of birth which are mentioned on the PAN number. Put the date of birth of your PAN number. Then you will be asked for payment. There are two payments, equity and commodity. So 200 for the equities and 100 for the commodities. We recommend you to kindly select the both equity and commodity, because in future if you want to trade the commodity, then you have to reinitiate the whole process. So it's convenient to pay the fee of the both account opening, equity and commodity. Take both and click the pay. You can pay through UPI, net banking as well. So pay. Once your payment is done, you will be asked to connect to the DigiLocker. DigiLocker is a government initiative where you can put your all documents like DL, Aadhaar, voter IDs, any government documents you can put over there, and share your document whenever you need it to relevant source. You need to sign into DigiLocker. Just put up your Aadhaar number and it will be send any OTP to your mobile number. Put the OTP, then continue. This set a pin and allow to share the document from DigiLocker to Zerodha. Share the document then you will be redirected to page where your all information will be shown from your Aadhaar database. Where you can modify over there your income and other things. Then you will be asked to kindly check all the boxes. Then you will be go for the IPV. In person verification, you will be see a code in left of your screen. Just take a paper and pen, write down those code and capture as depicted in the image. Allow your browser. You can do IPV from your mobile and as well as your computer. Just put down the number on a white paper and capture your image from your front cameras. Once your image is captured, like shown in this image, you will be asked to upload the documents. Kindly upload the documents, bank account, PAN number, check, cancel checkbook, passbook. Select a relevant field and upload the document. Documents uploaded. Now you will ask to e-sign the form. Click the e-sign button and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can continue with email verification. You will be sent an OTP to your email. Just put the OTP which you received on your email and click the sign now. Then you will be added to NSDL where you put your Aadhaar number. You will be again asked for an OTP. An OTP will be sent to your mobile number from the Aadhaar authority. Put the OTP and verify this. Once you sign the equity form, same again e-sign the this commodity form. And once you sign the both form, now your account is done. You will be receive an email from the Zerodha in a day or 2 days, or you will be given the reason, whatever the reason they will be elaborated in your email. Kindly check the email in next working days. So if you find any difficulties, kindly send us a WhatsApp message or write an email to us. And if you want to learn about the share market and investment and portfolio management or anything about the share market, please consider to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.